Man killed after dog bites neighbor. Double murder rocks St. Anne. Brawling and Pappy the victims. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A St. James man whose dog allegedly bit one of his neighbors in Top Hill, Mount Carey on Saturday was reportedly shot and killed by one of the neighbor's relatives. The deceased has been identified as 40-year-old Omar Nichols, otherwise called Ras. It is reported that about 9 a.m., one of Nichols' dogs bit a neighbor and a dispute developed between them. The neighbor reportedly later recounted the incident to a relative who went in search of Nichols. The St. Anne police are trying to establish a motive for the gun-slaying of two men in Priory St. Anne on Saturday. The deceased are 33-year-old Garfield Thomas, alias Brawling, a mason of Seacrest in Discovery Bay, St. Anne, and 23-year-old Shamrick Edwards, alias Pappy, a carpenter of Stony Hill, St. Andrew. Police reports are that around 6:15 p.m., Edwards and Thomas were pounced upon by gunmen at a house in Prairie where they were shot multiple times by the yet unknown assailants. The police were subsequently alerted and the bullet-riddled body of the men were found. Thomas and Edwards were taken to the hospital where they were pronounced dead. The police are probing the development.